This is how you can set different ringtones for messages coming from different customers. For example, if you have VIP customers who you must respond immediately, how can you tell whenever they message you? With that, you have to change the ringtone for your VIP customers. Let's just imagine that John Doe here is a VIP customer. Whenever John sends me a message, the ringtone is different so that I could immediately open my phone and respond to him. So with that, I'm going to tap on John's conversation here, and the top right corner here, the three dots, I will select View Contact. So I will tap on this Custom Notifications menu here. So I'll enable this, and I will select different kind of notifications, whether it's a different ringtone, or I want to have a pop-up enabled, or etc. So once this is set, whenever John message me, I will get a different notification compared to my other customers. So that's how you set different notifications for different customers.